Welcome back to Origami Tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you step by step how to make this origami crane. So let's make it together. All you will need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, but if you don't have it, you can check this video up here on how to make a perfect square. So let's start by folding our paper, and we'll fold it on both diagonals. So bring this corner of the paper down to this one. And press it down. Now open the paper and also bring this corner down up to here. And press it down. Now open the paper and flip it over. So now we'll fold it again in half on the center lines, so that we'll have two rectangles. Open it and fold it on the other half. Like this. Now we will open our paper and rotate it a little bit so that the points are facing upwards and downwards. Now we'll fold our paper in, so we'll fold it on this line and just bring the sides of the paper in like this. And now just press the upper layer down and really press the sides of the paper down. Now let's start with the folding part. We'll fold it from this bottom part where everything is loose, so that we have many layers, and we'll bring this corner of the paper in, so that we will align this line with the middle line. Just like this, and press it down. And do the same with the left side. And press it down. Now flip the paper over and repeat the same two steps. So this line, align it with the center line. Like this. And the same with the other side. Like this. Now the next step is optional, but it will make us a guideline for later. So fold this part, top part of the paper downwards, and fold it on this line here. Just like this, and open it. Now unfold the last two steps and leave the upper layer of the paper, and we'll bring the sides in on the lines that we folded previously. So on one side, on the other side, and also fold the upper part on the layers that are already existing. Like this. And once you have it, press it down, and now flip the paper over and repeat the same steps. So if you want, you can fold this part of the paper down. And now open these steps, lift the upper layer, and fold the sides of the paper in on the existing lines. Like this. Now on the bottom we have a split part that looks like two legs. So we'll fold this line of the paper to the center line, again just one layer, and fold it inwards like this, and do the same with the other side. Like this, And now flip the paper over and repeat the same 2 steps. Like this. We will pinch the middle of the paper inwards and bring the sides in, like this. And also do this with the back side, so pinch it in, like this. Now we have this guideline that we folded previously, and we lift the bottom part of the paper and fold it on this line and fold it upwards. And just do the same on the other side, so just fold it upwards, like this. And again, we will pinch the middle of the paper in and bring the sides of the paper, fold it in, pinch it, and do the same with the other side, like this. Now we'll fold the wing of the paper downwards and the paper will stop you, so don't worry here. You will know when to stop. And the same on the other side, like this. Now we have wings for our crane. Let's start with moving the head and the tail of our crane. So we will align both of it with this outer line, so just pull it out and align it with a line, and once you have it, just pinch it together like this, and do the same with the tail. Pull it outwards, align it, and pinch it together. Now we're only one step away from finishing our crane. So pick which side of this will be the head of the crane. I will choose this one and just press it downwards wherever you want, and press the middle line of the head inwards so that we pinch it upwards like this. And once we're happy with the head, just pinch this part of the paper together. The paper will know what to do, so don't worry. Like this. And just like this, you have it. You have Origami Crane. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye!